Every gardener has seen piles of fallen leaves stacked in the corner of the yard and, just dismiss them as nothing more than yard waste. But what if I told you that those forgotten leaves are hiding a secret so powerful it can transform your garden soil into a living, breathing ecosystem? Leaf mold is not just decomposed leaves, it's actually one of the most potent natural soil enhancers you can create yourself, and once you understand it, you'll never look at autumn leaves the same way again. Most people assume leaf mold is just compost, but that's where the misunderstanding starts. Compost is a mix of kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and garden waste, breaking down relatively quickly to feed plants immediately. Leaf mold, on the other hand, is purely decomposed leaves, broken down slowly over months into a dark, crumbly material. It's not about nutrient content. Leaf mold contains very little nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium, but its power lies in what it does to the soil itself. It improves soil structure, moisture retention, and, most importantly, fosters a thriving microbial ecosystem. Leaf mold acts like a sponge in sandy soil, holding water that would normally drain away. In clay-heavy soil, it loosens compacted particles, making the soil light and airy. This physical transformation alone can dramatically improve plant health, but the real magic comes from the fungi that colonize the leaves as they break down. These beneficial fungi create channels in the soil, turning it into a living network that plants' roots can navigate with ease. Your soil doesn't just hold nutrients, it becomes an active participant in your garden's growth. Creating leaf mold isn't complicated, but it does require patience. Start by collecting leaves in autumn. Avoid leaves that are diseased or coated in pesticides. Dry, crisp leaves are perfect. The simplest method is to pile them in a corner or a bin. Moisten lightly, and let nature do its work. Keep the pile damp but not soggy, and turn it occasionally if you like to speed up the process. Depending on the leaf type, full decomposition can take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. Be patient. The end result is a dark, earthy-smelling material that crumbles easily in your hands. For gardeners eager to accelerate the process, there's a trick: shredding leaves before piling them up increases surface area, which allows fungi to colonize faster. Shredded leaves can become leaf mold in as little as 9 months instead of 2 years. For those who want the benefits of leaf mold faster, liquid leaf mold is a game changer. Here's a simple formula to make it. Take 1 part mature leaf mold and mix it with 10 parts water, stir it well, cover it, and let it sit for about 1 week. This creates a potent microbial tea that can be diluted further if you're applying it directly to seedlings. Use 1 part liquid leaf mold to 3 parts water. Spray it on soil around plants, pour it at the base of vegetables, or add it to your potting mix. Liquid leaf mold introduces beneficial fungi and microbes straight into the root zone, boosting soil health faster than waiting for solid leaf mold to integrate. Your plants won't just grow, they'll thrive with stronger roots, richer foliage, and better resilience against pests and disease. It's surprising how overlooked leaf mold is in mainstream gardening advice. Big ag companies and even some gardening guides focus heavily on chemical fertilizers and quick-fix soil amendments. Leaf mold doesn't promise immediate nitrogen spikes or flashy results. Instead, it quietly builds living soil over months, creating a foundation for healthier plants for years to come. That slow, transformative power is often underappreciated, yet once you start using leaf mold, the difference is undeniable. Soil that was once hard, lifeless, and patchy becomes dark, soft, and full of life. Gardeners who embrace leaf mold often report fewer problems with drought stress and disease. That's because the microbial networks created by fungi and leaf mold actually help plants access nutrients naturally. The soil becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem, reducing the need for chemical interventions entirely. Using leaf mold isn't just a seasonal task, it's a year-round strategy. Spread a layer across garden beds in early spring as a mulch, letting it slowly enrich the soil as you plant. Mix it into raised beds, container soil, or seed-starting mixes to improve water retention and aeration. Combine it with compost to balance nutrients and structure. Leaf mold adds structure, compost adds nutrition. For established trees and shrubs, leaf mold can be worked into the topsoil to encourage a healthier root zone. For vegetable gardens, it improves soil crumb, reduces runoff, and encourages worms, which are natural soil engineers. Even a thin layer can make a dramatic difference over time. The key is consistency. Leaf mold works best as part of an ongoing soil-building practice rather than a one-off fix. The results of using leaf mold are subtle at first but accumulate exponentially. Soil becomes more resilient to weather extremes, water retention improves, meaning less frequent watering, fungal networks and microbial life flourish, helping plants resist diseases naturally. Crops become more robust, with better flavor and nutrition. Leaf mold doesn't just feed plants, it transforms your soil into a living, sustainable system that supports life above and below ground. For gardeners serious about long-term soil health, leaf mold is unmatched. It's a free, renewable resource you create from materials you'd otherwise throw away. It's also completely safe for kids, pets, and wildlife. No chemicals, no risk of burning plants, just pure natural soil supercharger in its most elegant form. If you've been ignoring your fallen leaves, it's probably time to rethink them. Leaf mold is more than just garden waste, it's actually nature's own soil enhancer, quietly working wonders underground. Whether you make solid leaf mold brew, liquid leaf mold, or mix it with compost, incorporating it into your gardening routine is one of the simplest ways to dramatically improve soil health and plant vitality. Start small, experiment, and observe. Watch as your soil changes texture, color, and life over months and years. Once you see the difference, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. Leaf mold isn't just an option, it's an essential tool for anyone serious about sustainable, thriving soil. Don't let this secret go to waste. Subscribe to Soil Sage Chronicles for more soil transforming tips, and share this with every gardener you know. Your garden and your soil will thank you.